We figured we'd sit you down and talk you through why we've chosen to call our latest fragrance Hay Fever. It's a bit weird, we know, but let's tell you everything.
Story time!
100 years ago this month, a very famous playwright, Noël Coward, released a play called Hay Fever that premiered in the West End.
And 100 years later, we have launched a fragrance, also called Hay Fever, inspired by that play and quintessential British summertimes. A little bit eccentric, languid, sun-dappled. You can imagine being out on the terrace in the morning having Earl Grey tea with marmalade on toast. There's a smell of crisp apple and cut grass and plump apricots. And then a nice, gorgeous English rose in there as well.
So a few months back, we met the Noël Coward estate and told them about our idea, and they got extremely excited. So they've really supported us through this whole process. They've allowed us to print our own version of the play, which we're gifting to press. It's a very limited run. Can't buy it, unfortunately. They've given us the use of the play script in a little movie that we've made, which we'll talk about later.
So this is our little homage to Noël Coward.
We're bringing new life and new eyes to his iconic pieces of work.